What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at Python's dir function, your object explorer. So the dir function is one of the Python's most valuable built-in tools for developers, serving as your personal guide to discovering what lies within any portion Python object. And whether you are learning a new library or debugging complex code, the dir provides a window into the capabilities of objects in your Python environment. And what's the usage and also the purpose of the dir function? What does the dir function actually do? It returns an alphabetized list of names comprising attributes, methods, and also properties, and it acts as an interactive documentation tool during development, and it enables exploration of unfamiliar objects or modules. And then when called without arguments, the dir returns all names in the current scope, helping you understand what variables and functions are available. So what are the practical examples of the dir function? Where it explores list objects. Using the dir reveals all list methods like append, pop, sort that you can use in your code. So what is also there? On the grounds of module inspection, running the dir.math in parentheses math shows all available functions and constants in the math module, making it easier to find what you actually need. So using dir with no arguments displays all variables, functions, classes available in your current working environment. So that's it for the dir function and how useful it is in Python programming. Thank you for watching this video.